In this lesson, we're going to learn how to insert dimensions. We select Insert, Model Items. Okay, the source. I'm going to select the entire model as my source. I'll activate the Marked Drawing function. In this area, we can select any number of annotations, reference geometry, and so on. Click OK. Okay, if we look at this, we can see that some dimensions have been inserted. Let's zoom on this area to get a better look. As you can see, the dimensions are here. The positioning is not perfect though. Let's adjust it a little. And this concludes our review of dimension placement.